Transform your ordinary clips into breathtaking cinematic masterpieces with CapCut's powerful editing tools. In this quick tutorial, we'll dive into the essential techniques that give your videos that immersive, movie-like quality, all within CapCut. First, let's tackle color grading. Select your clip on the timeline, head to the Adjust section, and begin by fine-tuning your exposure, contrast, and highlights to establish a strong baseline. Then, experiment with the temperature and tint sliders to create a warm, inviting mood or a cool, dramatic atmosphere. Don't be afraid to play with saturation to make your colors pop, or reduce it for a more desaturated, filmic look. Consider using the HSL tool to individually adjust specific color ranges, like making skies bluer or foliage greener. Next, we'll focus on framing, a crucial element for cinematic storytelling. Think about the rule of thirds. Placing your subject off-center creates visual interest. Zoom in slightly on your clips to remove distractions from the edges and guide the viewer's eye. Consider using subtle pans and zooms, acircumflex euros. These are called Ken Burns effects, acircumflex euros, to add movement and depth to static shots. Pacing is king in cinematic editing. Select your clips and adjust their duration instead of sharp cuts. Try using slow motion for moments you want to emphasize. Think about adding gentle fades or dissolves between scenes to create a smoother flow. A well-timed pause or a quick montage can dramatically alter the emotional impact of your story. By mastering color grading, thoughtful framing, and strategic pacing, you can elevate your storytelling and achieve that professional, cinematic look you've always wanted, right here in CapCut.